Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this look on Dress to Impress. This is inspired by Azami from Uzumaki, of course. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything so you guys can see the accessory adjustment and etc. I'm just going to remove this, and then this. And I think we only need 3 items, but they get a little bit complicated, so you are going to go to the salon here and we are going to use the new hair. Toggle it to only flowers and Blake flowers too, and for the pattern we are going to use these 2 patterns. So I'm just going to use these 2 patterns first before adjusting it. For the X position, just leave it Y at 0.55, Z at 0.58, rotation at 0.43, Y at 0, and Z at 0.55. Scale, leave that alone. Next, we are going to head on over to the pearl earrings. That's what I call them. They're a little bit fluffy, but it's the round one. And we are going to color it using this lace pattern, which is this one. For the adjustments, X at 0.62, Y at 0.48, Z at 0.51, rotation 0.51, Y at 0, Z at 0.20. And we're going to scale it to 0.83, like so. Then for the last piece, we're going to use these earrings in the color black. And for the accessory adjustment on that, it's X at 0.53, 0.55, 0.38. Rotation is at 0.42, 0.32, and the scale at 0.31. And voila, you just need 3 items to create these eyes. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.